Guys, the real estate market right now is crazy. But what if I told you that this summer, the market will be completely half off? That's right. I said half off homes. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you why I believe that the real estate market in the next couple months is going to do a half off market cycle. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I created the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. Guys, in today's video, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about why I believe the real estate market will be half off in the next couple of months. Before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to know to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave these lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. All right, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. Now, if you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software and start removing these items. Guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report, this is going to be an interesting video because it's going to be majority opinionated, but I did have a little real estate friend of mine that told me that this is a high probability of happening. So let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes. So what I honestly believe with the current real estate market, that in the next couple months the real estate market is going to dwindle and going to have a lot of homes and a lot of inventory that's going to be half price. Now, the reason I say that is because a lot of the real estate right now is not being sold. A lot of the real estate that's on the market is not being bought at the moment because of the interest rates and a lot of variables, including constant inflation. So as you probably know, we are heading to a recession, and because of that, the inflationary marks that we have within our economy has allowed other consumers to be bought out when it comes to the real estate game. Now, because of this, I honestly believe that the builders, the new home builders, is going to have a mass amount of inventory. Now, the reason I say that also because you have to understand that before this, the high interest rates and before this inflation, the real estate market was fairly great at the moment. You could have found rates as low as 4%. I've seen rates as low as 3%, probably 6, 7, 8 months back. So with that being said, with those rates just spiking at an accelerated rate, it really put our market in a position where it was very unstable very quickly. Now, the reason that is an issue is because a lot of the builders, the new home builders, prepared their inventory with the booming market, right? So what does that mean? That means that a lot of home builders built a lot of properties with the assumption of the market still being in a booming state, right? So what that does? That does a lot. That puts the real estate builders in a position where they have an influx of inventory with not a lot of buyers, right? So they have a lot of inventory that's going to be on their books in the next couple of months, because majority of the builders, especially where I'm in Texas, so a lot of builders that I'm friends with, they have their own building companies, and basically they're saying that they buy houses, or they build houses in preparation of the summer months, because majority of the new home sales is done in the summer months, right? So they prepare for those. So they prepare how they start the building process. So by the end of the summer, or at the middle of the summer, those homes are already being built and already in preparation to go on market and to be sold. That's with the market being normal, so to speak, or being in a booming state. As you know, we're not in that state anymore, and with a lot of those projects already being underway, it puts the inventory in a high influx status. So I believe the builders that I've talked to also believe that a lot of the properties are going to have to be taken as a loss because just to get rid of them on their books. So like I said, this might vary from area to area, and this is majority particularly for any new home builders or any individual that's interested in new home builds. So yeah, they're going to have a lot of inventory on their books that they're going to be looking to get rid of pretty soon here, and they're going to have to make it at a discounted rate because inflation is not putting new home buyers in a position to afford a lot of these new projects. So they're going to have to price them at a discounted rate just to get them off their books, so they won't have to be stuck with them and they just be sitting on the market. So you have to put yourself in a position to time the market. You have to understand that a lot of millionaires that basically got rich, they didn't get rich by buying properties while the bubble was brewing. They basically bought the property at the end of the bubble cycle and they got it at a discounted rate, and that's basically what I honestly think that is going to happen in the next coming months here. I think that the property and the market is going to do a tipsy-turvy, and is going to put a lot of real estate opportunities on the market at a discounted rate because of the high flux of inventory with the low buyers ratio that's going to be involved. Guys, let me know how you feel about this. I honestly think that this is interesting. I was talking to one of my real estate friends about it, I think it was yesterday, and they honestly agree with most of it. Let me know how you feel about it. Do you feel like this is the perfect opportunity? Do you think the interest rates is going to be too high in the coming months where it's still not going to be a prime position to buy? Let me know how you feel in the comments. Let me know where you at in your buying process, and if I can help in any way, form, or fashion, let me know, and we'll go from there. Guys, please, till next time, take care of your credit and take care of your health. Credit Coach Q out.